Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Tacoma headlight bulb. Start by parking on a flat surface, turning off the engine, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Remove the plastic cover and set aside fasteners carefully so you don't lose them. Keep the new bulb in its packaging until installation and avoid touching the glass with bare hands. Follow each step methodically to get aligned beams and reliable nighttime vision. Begin by opening the hood and locating the headlight assembly you will service. Remove the dust cover by twisting or unclipping, then disconnect the wiring harness with a gentle press on the release tab. Unclip or rotate the retaining spring to free the bulb, and carefully pull the old bulb straight out without twisting. Inspect the socket for corrosion or damage and clean the area before inserting the replacement to ensure proper seating and contact. Remove the new bulb from its packaging while wearing gloves or holding the base to avoid skin oils that can shorten bulb life. Insert the bulb straight into the socket and secure the retaining clip or twist the socket until it locks. Reconnect the wiring harness, reattach the dust cover, and reconnect the negative battery terminal. Turn on the lights to confirm function and alignment, then make minor adjustments if needed before finishing up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.